Hey beauty loves, welcome back. It's springtime, honey, so it's time for some more vibrant colors. So here is the makeup look I am attempting today, so just continue to watch to know what I did, honey, to get this. So to begin with, I already primed my eyelid with the LA Girl ProConceal, and I am now using a transition color, and this is out of my Matte Custom palette. And that's it's like a tan brown, I would say. So I'm just buffering that a little bit above my crease and working its way down to my crease. So I am just buffering that in using back and forth windshield wiper motions. Now from a generic Coastal Scents palette, and this is a shimmer palette of theirs. So that is mint green that I'm putting in the inner corner. And I'm just tapping that on, and of course you want to keep building it up until you get it to the vibrancy and the consistency that you prefer with your look. So I'm going to do that. Okay, now let's work on this outer V here to the outer lid. And I am actually in the same Coastal Scents palette. I am using a actual turquoise, or how you say it, girl? How you say it, turquoise or turquoise? But you know, I'm using that color, and I am buffering that and tapping it on the outer portion of my lid, and I'm working it into the V shape. And then of course you want to blend. Any parts of your eyeshadow that you're or the color that you lose during the blending process, just make sure you go back and you apply more of that color so that way you can even it out, okay? So now I'm back in my crease with a deeper brown to give my eye look just a little bit more depth, and I am actually just buffering that to make sure that I'm blending it into the color that's needed. Now out of that Morphe 35C palette, I am going to put in my outer V corner as well as just the outer V itself, and working its way up to my crease. I am adding black there so that I can give it a more of a smoky effect on the ends, and then you're just going to blend that in and buffer it in to give it that smoky appearance. And add more color as you go. Now I'm just wiping all of the fallout from underneath my eye. And I am actually using I think that's Origin's moisturizer. All of the products that I use will be listed in the description box below. So of course, girl, gotta take care of these dark circles, okay? So get your NYX color corrector out, or whatever color corrector you have. In the orange, I use orange because I am actually hiding dark circles, like the grayish look of my circles. Now as far as my foundation, I have been lately using the NARS foundation, the NARS Cosmetic Foundations, and mixing the colors Aruba and Barcelona together. Barcelona is a little too light for me, and then Aruba is a little too dark for me, or orange for me, but when I mix them together, they're just right. And then I take a foundation brush and I place the foundation where I need it, and then I go over it with a damp beauty blender to marry it to my skin. So you're just gonna blend it in with the beauty blender. Make sure you go underneath your chin, but drag it down to your neck. Catch them ears too if they too light, honey. Catch them ears, honey. going back underneath my eye, I need to conceal a little bit more and highlight. So to do the concealer, I am using the LA Girl ProConceal in the color medium beige. And then to give it a little bit more highlight, I'm going to actually use the Tarte concealer in the color of the shade, I should say medium honey, just to brighten it up a little bit. To contour, I am using Black Opal's color Mocha, and that's what I'm using for my contour. Now I'm going to buff all of that in with the Delp Beauty Blender, and you can also do this with a brush as well. Now to set my face in the lighted areas, I'm using the Laura Mercier powder. I'm actually looking for more setting powders to test some because I like her powder for the most part, but then I've used some that's a little bit more, that's better actually. Yeah, just say it, girl, that's better. So I'm just want to test some powders out just to, you know, just to do some comparison. So if you know of any other setting powders, or let me know what setting powders you guys use in the comment area, and I will definitely test them out. Now with the NYX Pro Contour Palette, I am going over those areas with a brush to set the other areas of my face. And I'm not into like snatching the nose. You know how everybody's like, I gotta snatch my nose. I actually like my nose. So I just like to give it a little bit more shape to it. So I don't do a whole bunch of snatching, but I'm just buffering that out and blending that in to my eyebrow area. And again, I'm just going over my face again with the powder. Here in Florida, girl, let me tell you about this weather. Like today it's about 92 degrees. And then when you go outside, girl, you is gonna sweat all that makeup right off your face if you don't set it right, okay? Just straight up. I'm just being real. I mean, those of you who stay in Florida, you know, going outside if you want to without setting that face the proper way. Now your girl is back to her Ruby Kisses liquid eyeliner. This is Blacker Than Black, and I am doing a wing liner on you today. So that's what you see. Areas, and I'm just, you know, blending it more. Now going into my waterline, I'm using the Tyra Beauty's Kohl pencil. It's the dual sides. Like one side is like the nude color, the other side is the black. I am actually using the black color to give me a more defined eye. And then underneath my waterline, I am going in with the Urban Decay's Electric Palette in the color Jilted. So I am just placing that underneath my eye to give it another added pop of color, honey. It's all about the color. I don't know about y'all, but it's just something about once you put on your makeup, like you be feeling yourself anyway, but like once you put on your makeup, you really be feeling yourself. You be like, child, who is you? But thank you for showing up today. Now outlining my lips, or lining my lips I should say, I'm using the NYX lip liner in the color Rose. I'm going to fill in my lips a little bit, and then I will go inside my lips, color my lips actually with a lip gloss. I'm really not sure of the brand because it's a lip gloss palette that I got from a hair show in Atlanta, and the name has actually rubbed off. So, but it's a color equivalent to it. Honey, this is the finished look. You know, not too much, not too little, just right, honey. So, you know, if you like this video, please do give it a thumbs up. Leave a positive comment. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel so that you are notified of my other videos. Don't forget to also check out my beauty, not my beauty videos, but my skincare videos. Also for my boss beauties, my business and motivational videos. And always aspire to inspire someone each and every day. Let's continue to spread our light and love. And until the next video, guys, I will catch you later. Thank you for watching.